Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is the third video. The two before, link in the description. Today we will finish the car and we'll have a static test. Hope you enjoy. Comment, like and subscribe. And this is how the car looks with how do you say, bumper. And here in this position there are 2 or 3 millimeters from this edge to this one, so I have to put this back in order to have the minimum possible bumper at the view. To do this, oops, I have to work a little bit this part, because here there's something that stops the bumper. Then this 1 and 2 flat out and perhaps make new holes. Then 1, 2 and 3 screws. Okay, done. I've cut it a little bit there in order to leave this movement from a front axle. Then I used old school screws, thread liquid, self-locking nut, and perfect. Let's see. Where are the mounting? Okay. Yes. Quite good. Not so nice, but for sure safe. Next, battery holder and receiver. Then it's finished. Perfect. Rubber band. Under the rubber band all the wires. Fantastic. Okay, The battery is on, but problems are not finished because this amp doesn't matches with the pilot. So I had to do this terrible work, opening here, and now I have these holes. The body goes pretty well on the chassis. Here I've added this neoprene in order not to have those terrible bang, 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 bang. When all these cars are running, you always hear the body smashing into the chassis. So in the front I put this, and on the rear this. The battery makes the body very close to the chassis, but I know this is a lost war against this dangling terrible rumor. Now, to close these holes, I have my magical sailing tissue. This is the tissue they use to repair sails. It's water resistant, it's fantastic. I use it everywhere I need. So I make some patches and finish the patches on this side and on the other side too, in order to have this space for the battery. Like this. Not nice to see, but functional. I have no more holes and I don't see the battery coming out from the arm of the pilot. Near to the end, carefully wash it. The work is almost done, and now it's time to put the electronics in place. One with the switch here. I hope to reach the switch from this part of the body. Then wiring, blue with blue and yellow with red. Here we are. Then servo around, okay, into the receiver here. Now the receiver is herein, perfectly protected and very easy to put on the car, because I can do this. Just this. It can stay here. I need no screws, nothing to mount the RSE on the car. I have just to find a place to put it in a secure place, in a secure way. Then battery. Then connect the battery off, yes. Okay, then check with the radio. Lift the car up. Switch on and very fast. Perfect. Now I have to do some work on the body, and I show you what. Off.
Signal lost. Shutting down.
Okay. The body, you remember I made this work here inside to place the battery. Now there is a grid space here I don't like. So I thought perhaps with this sponge, a little bit of glue here and here, it looks better. Air passed through the sponge and through that little opening behind the pilot head. And about the pilot head, I would like to have the cover here, the glass. How do you call? So with a little transparent and 2 screws I can do that, and it will look much better. Let's do this last work. With a piece of a body part from Tamiya, the one I never throw away, I made these 2 screws, then I've bended it, then I will cut in a nice shape, then I peel off the plastic cover, and we have a perfect helmet finished like a real one. That is also... How stupid am I? And here we are. Now it's much better, more realistic. Okay. Here there's some work to do with lighter, fire. My friends, this is one of the best and nicest car I have in my collection. Now, after so many years, it's working. Next step, the test on the track, and we will discover if 4 front wheel steering are really so performing. And this is it. Did you like this serial? Ciao!